we are about to enter a world of sea monsters here at the Jurassic Oceans. My goodness, look at these amazing murals right here. Look at that mosasaur fighting the giant squid. And another mosasaur right here. Oh my goodness. Yep, we're about to enter a whole nother world. See the internet right there. Look at this giant amphibian right here. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the size of that mouth and look at those teeth right there. Oh wow, that is impressive. Yeah, look at that. Look inside the mouth right here. Very cool creature right here. What do they got over here? Early marine reptiles. Look at this fossil right here. That looks pretty neat. And look at this right here. Look at that beautiful mural right here.
It crawls into nooks in the rocks to hide from predators. It feeds in the safety of night.
Look at all of this.
Over 200 million
Bushy crabs right here.
how it is today.
Dinosaur footprint right here. Look at that. From an iguanodont right here. And then we got some more info right here. Ooh, and then look at this one right here. Wow, look at that. Ichthyosaur skull. So we got an ichthyosaurus right here. Look at that. It's very large. Oh. Look at that. Look at the size of that skull right there. It's huge. Back it up. Yep, it's a very big one right here. Look at those nice massive murals right here. Wow. Look at that. Look at that.
Although Megalodon is now extinct,
Got the meg
sharks
right
remain
there.
one of the ocean's top predators.
Look at those fossils right there. Got megalodon teeth down there too.
Sharks are one of the world's most successful predators.
See the teeth right
These
there.
amazing creatures have been hunting the seas for over 400 million years. And are still a common species.
This way, got some more teeth right here.
During the Jurassic, sharks evolved flexible jaws so they could attack.
Oh wow, look at this. Wow.
Sharks like this one, called Hypodas, also developed tail fins
Fish.
to allow them to swim.
More fossils. Right here. And right here. Jurassic Oceans. Pretty cool. And then got some more fossils right here. Ooh, is this? Look at that. Looks like this belongs to Baryonyx. Right here. And look at those fossils right there. Fish scales right here. Oh, and look at this. This belongs to a ginormous fish. Yeah, that one right there. Gentle giant. What do you think this is? The tail? Yeah, this looks like the tail to me. Oh, that's a very big tail. Belonging to that huge fish right there. Cyctus right there. Ooh, and check out this brown stingray right here. Wow, it's huge. Oh my goodness. Very large ray. Oh, look at that. Very large ray. Come over here. More fossils right here. Got some shells right here. More shells. Look at this ichthyosaur skull right here. Look at that. Pretty cool. What's this one? This looks like a dolphin right here. Come on, this way. So this one here looks like a dolphin. Common bottlenose dolphin. We got to pet one of these at SeaWorld. So yeah, we got a bottlenose dolphin right here. Yeah, they're pretty big. Now look at this one. Ichthyosaur replica. Oh wow. This one's beautiful, so shiny. Look at that. Very beautiful. And why don't we come face it right here? Oh wow. Now that's impressive. Looks like a fish mixed with a dolphin. These marine reptiles. I bet you they gave birth the same way. Yeah, it looks like a shark mixed with a dolphin. Yeah, we got Ichthyosaurus right here. Very beautiful Ichthyosaurus. Yeah, you find these everywhere. Back up. Yeah, look at that. When I love the water effects right here. It looks like you're under the sea with this beautiful creature right here. Oh man, absolutely. Let's go this way. You see that chart right there? Look at more fossils right here. Absolutely magnificent right here. What else we got? More fossils right here. That one looks like a flipper. Smaller ones right here. And we got some skulls right here. Now take a look at this one right here. Oh my goodness, what is this one? Let's come over here and read the info right here. We got a plesiosaur right here. And my goodness, it is huge. Look at this. See this ichthyosaurus? Just look at that. This is like what we saw over there at the entrance to the museum. They have these guys hanging from the ceiling. Look, you see the skull right there? Oh my goodness, that is huge. Yeah, look at that skull right there. That long neck. Plesiosaurus, a real-life Loch Ness monster, if you will. Yeah, this was back when sea monsters were a real thing. Man, look at that. Look at the flippers right here. See them? And look at the tails right here. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, it sure is, Smilo. Wow, look at that, you see. Look at that. And we got more little plesiosaur right here. Yeah, we got Plesiosaurus itself right here. And then we got another plesiosaur paddle right here. Got some scales right here. More fossils but look like belonging to crocodiles. Ooh, what is that? The jaw of Liopleurodon right there. Giant carnivorous marine reptile. So yeah, all this looks like it belongs to a Liopleurodon right there. Just look at the size of those teeth. Come over here. Yeah, we got more fossils right here. Yeah, look at these nautiluses. Look at all these shells. Ooh. Yeah, let's come around this way. Looks like a gharial crocodile right here. Look at that. Marine crocs right here. Come this way. We got shells right here. Oh, look at this guy right here. Oh, wow. Turtle shells. Ooh, look at this nice one right here. Wow, isn't that pretty? Looks like a type of mosasaur maybe. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this right here. What is that, a tooth? Yeah, the tooth of a mosasaur. And then we got a mosasaur jaw right here. Yeah, we've seen plenty of mosasaurs up close. Yeah, look at that. We've seen some in the flesh too. A mosasaur skull right here. Oh snap, look at that. Leatherback sea turtle right here. That's one big leatherback right there. Leatherback sea turtle. And then look at all these prehistoric oceans, modern day oceans. Oh wow, we got marine iguanas right here. So we have marine iguana and a water monitor right here. Yeah, giant lizard. Wow, look at that. Monitor lizards. Look at this. Evolution of whales and dolphins. Moved from land to the sea. Right here. We've got, look right here. Ancient whales. Back when whales lived on land. Yeah, look at that. So this is what whales looks like way back when. Yeah, just look, looks very whale-like. Yeah, like a prehistoric whale. Yeah, how about that? Look at this. Look, it had feet, so it walked on land. Look at the tail. Yep, looks like a whale with limbs, if you ask me. And then look at that. We got some brains right here. Oh wow, look at that. Harbor porpoise brain, human brain, and sperm whale brain. Porpoise flipper right here. And then we come this way. Early whale skull right here. Oh wow, look at that. Got an early whale skull. Ain't that cool? Durodon teeth. We got Durodon teeth right here. Oh wow, look at that. See the Durodon teeth right here? And then speaking of Durodon, if we come this way, we have Durodon itself right here. A prehistoric whale right here. And it's huge, look at that. Look at that skull, look at those teeth right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Oh, and I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the back legs right there, the back flippers right there. Yeah, you see the back flippers? Yep. Modern whales don't have that, but these prehistoric whales do. Anyone remember that Walking with Beast episode, Whale Killer? Yeah, Basilosaurus was a star of that episode, but Durodon also made a guest appearance in there. Yeah, and it was a bit smaller than Basilosaurus, which I believe is probably one of the most famous prehistoric whales, along with Leviathan. Yeah, this one made an appearance too, perhaps being fed upon by Basilosaurus. Yeah, just look at those teeth. Wow, look at that. Especially the back teeth right there. Very large skull. Prehistoric whales right here. Yeah, look at that. See the flippers right there? All the way up there. So yeah, we got a prehistoric whale right here. Early whales. Yeah, the story of how they went from land to the sea is very, very interesting. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, we got Duraldon right there.